Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a stable network and no heavy apps hogging bandwidth. First, close background apps and force-stop known data users. This frees CPU and lowers packet loss. Once done, toggle airplane mode for about 5 seconds to reset radio stacks, then reconnect to the optimal network. Make sure you choose 5 GHz Wi-Fi when latency matters, or prioritize LTE/5G over poor Wi-Fi, because a stronger link reduces retransmits and directly lowers ping. Now you modify device and network parameters to shave milliseconds. Open developer options and enable settings that keep the radio responsive. Ensure mobile data remains active during Wi-Fi handoffs so you avoid packet loss. Next, change DNS to a fast resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. This reduces lookup delay. Also, pause automatic updates and background sync while testing, because an upload or download can spike latency. Finally, test to finish, aim for the most stable path. Use USB tethering to a wired source when possible, because it bypasses noisy Wi-Fi. Restart your router and enable quality of service rules to prioritize your app or device, which reduces jitter and queuing delay. If latency remains high, run traceroute and collect ping logs so you can see where packets slow down. If the bottleneck is outside your phone, contact your ISP or carrier with the diagnostics. They can resolve upstream congestion or routing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.